Imagine navigating your workday on a computer without being able to see the screen, or struggling to hear during an important virtual meeting. These are everyday realities for many with additional support needs. Welcome to At Home in the Digital Age. I'm your host, Lee Midlane, and in this episode, we're diving into the transformative world of assistive technologies. We'll explore how various tools and applications can make computers and laptops accessible to everyone, regardless of their challenges. Join me as we uncover the tech that's breaking down barriers and opening up a world of possibilities. In today's episode, I want to share an inspiring story of one of our customers. She runs a successful business and is completely blind. Her journey with technology is a testament to the possibilities that assistive tech can open up. By using a braille notetaker and JAWS software on her laptop, she navigates the digital world with ease. These tools translate visual information into tactile or auditory feedback, enabling her to manage her emails, create documents, and even analyze business data independently. It's amazing to see JAWS in action as it reads a screen, but it does so at a higher speed than normal. In this customer's case, she listens at double speed. Her story is not just about overcoming barriers, it's about the empowering role technology plays in providing equal opportunities for success. Fiona's story highlights the transformative impact of assistive technologies, demonstrating how they enable individuals with visual impairments to independently manage professional tasks and run successful businesses. Now, my youngest son, Josh, is 15 and he's visually impaired. He uses an iPad in school, showcasing the practical application of tech in learning environments. The iPad allows him to take photos of the board and zoom in to see details clearly. This functionality, along with the ability to take notes directly on the device, revolutionises his classroom experience. It's not just a tool, it's a bridge that connects him to the same learning opportunities as his peers. The journey of assistive technologies began in the mid 20th century with early innovations primarily focused on mobility and hearing aids. However, the real technological leap occurred with the advent of computers and digital technology. One of the earliest milestones in assistive technology was the development of screen readers in the 1970s. These software programs transform text on a screen into synthesized speech, enabling visually impaired users to access digital content. The introduction of screen readers like JAWS, which is Job Access with Speech, in the mid 1980s marked a significant advancement, offering more sophisticated navigation capabilities and compatibility with various operating systems. In the realm of communication, the 1980s also witnessed the development of voice recognition systems. These systems allowed users with physical disabilities to control computers and dictate text verbally, significantly enhancing their ability to interact with technology. Drag and Dictate was one of the first commercial voice recognition products, and this was introduced in 1990 and has since evolved into more advanced and accurate systems. The 1990s and early 2000s saw a surge in the development of various assistive devices, including adaptive keyboards, trackball mice, and touchscreen technology, all designed to cater to a wide range of physical limitations. The proliferation of the internet during this period also spurred the creation of web accessibility guidelines, ensuring that digital content was accessible to all users. The advent of smartphones and tablets in the late 2000s marked another pivotal moment in the evolution of assistive technologies. These devices came with built in accessibility features like screen magnifiers, voiceover screens, and tactile feedback, making technology more accessible than ever before. Apps specifically designed for individuals with disabilities also began to emerge, offering tools for communication, navigation, and learning. In recent years, advancements in artificial intelligence and machine learning have further revolutionized assistive technologies. AI powered tools now offer real time speech to text transcription, predictive text input, and even emotion recognition, providing nuanced support for individuals with a range of disabilities. The integration of smart home technologies and the Internet of Things, which you may have heard of as IoT, has enabled users to control their environment with voice commands or through accessible interfaces, enhancing their independence and quality of life. The evolution of assistive technologies from basic aids to sophisticated AI powered tools reflects a journey of innovation driven by the needs of individuals with disabilities. Each milestone, from the first screen readers to modern voice recognition systems and AI applications, has played a crucial role in breaking down barriers and fostering a more inclusive society. Let's delve into a wide array of assistive technologies designed for computer users, each tailored to meet diverse support needs and enhance overall accessibilities. So let's take a closer look. Screen readers are software programs that enable visually impaired users to read the text displayed on a computer screen with a speech synthesizer or braille display. The core functionality of a screen reader lies in its text to speech or TTS conversion process. This process involves scanning the screen for textual information, interpreting what is displayed, including text and control elements like buttons and menus, and then converting this information into speech that can be heard through speakers or headphones. Modern screen readers are highly customizable. Users can adjust their speed, pitch, and tone of the voice to suit their listening preferences. They can also set specific voices for different types of content or controls, making it easier to distinguish between them. Additionally, screen readers are equipped with navigation commands that allow users to skim through content by heading, paragraph link, or other web page elements, enhancing their ability to browse efficiently. Magnification software is designed to assist users with low vision by enlarging text and graphics on a screen. This software works by capturing the screen display, enlarging the captured image, and then displaying it on the screen. The level of magnification can typically be adjusted, often ranging from 1x to 20x or more, depending on the software. Beyond simple magnification, these programs often include features to enhance readability and reduce eye strain. This includes options to adjust color contrast, use different color schemes like high contrast modes, and apply screen filters. Some magnification software also offers the ability to magnify a specific area of the screen, such as a lens or a docked magnifier. This allows users to maintain orientation on the screen while reading magnified text or viewing detailed graphics. Speech recognition technology allows users to control computers and dictate text using their voice. This technology works by converting spoken words into text, a process that involves several stages: capturing the speech through a microphone, digitizing the audio signal, and then using algorithms to interpret and transcribe the speech into text. Modern speech recognition systems are highly sophisticated, offering a high degree of accuracy and the ability to adapt to different speech patterns, accents, and dialects. They employ machine learning algorithms that learn from the user's voice and speaking over time, improving accuracy. Users can train these systems to recognize specific vocabulary and commands, making them more efficient for personal or professional use. Additionally, these systems often include features to correct mistakes and learn from corrections, further enhancing their adaptability and accuracy. Assistive technologies like screen readers, magnification software, and speech recognition systems employ advanced techniques to transform digital interaction for users with disabilities. Each technology is designed with customization and adaptability in mind, ensuring that they cater to a wide range of needs and preferences, thereby enhancing accessibility and user comfort. One of the primary challenges faced by users of assistive technologies is compatibility with other software and hardware. For instance, a screen reader might not work effectively with certain websites or applications if they're not designed with accessibility in mind. Similarly, updates in operating systems or software can sometimes disrupt the functionality of assistive tools. To mitigate compatibility issues, users should prioritize selecting assistive technologies that are widely known for their compatibility and regularly updated. Additionally, software developers and website designers must adhere to accessibility standards such as the Web Content Accessibility Guidelines, which is the WCAG. Users can also benefit from community support forums where they can share insights and solutions for compatibility issues. Assistive technologies often come with a steep learning curve. New users may find it challenging to navigate complex features or memorize various commands, especially in technologies like screen readers or advanced speech recognition systems. User training programs are essential in this regard. Many organizations and assistive technology providers offer training sessions for new users. Online tutorials, webinars, and instructional videos can also be valuable resources. Peer mentoring, where experienced users guide new users, can be particularly effective. Certain assistive technologies require specific hardware, which can be a barrier for some users. For example, high quality speech recognition might need a good microphone and a computer with a fast processor. You need to research the hardware requirements of any assistive technology before purchasing. For those who cannot afford the necessary hardware, seeking assistance from non-profit organizations or government programs that provide technological support to individuals with disabilities can be helpful. Additionally, some assistive technologies are designed to work with a wide range of hardware, offering flexibility for users with different setups. So I've got some additional tips for you. Firstly, stay informed. Keeping up to date with the latest developments in assistive technologies can help users take advantage of new features and improvements. There's also community engagement. Participating in forums and user groups can provide support and practical advice from other users who have faced similar challenges. Then there's a feedback loop. Users should provide feedback to developers, which can lead to improvements and more user-friendly designs. And finally, backup plans. Having alternative options or backup assistive tools can help mitigate the impact of compatibility issues or hardware failures. While assistive technologies face challenges like compatibility issues, steep learning curves, and specific hardware requirements, practical solutions such as user training, community support, and careful selection of tools can significantly enhance the user experience. By addressing these challenges, we can ensure that assistive technologies continue to empower users with disabilities, offering them greater independence and accessibility. As we explore the empowering world of assistive technologies, remember, finding the right solution for your specific needs can be a journey. If you're seeking personalized advice or assistance in selecting and setting up the most suitable assistive technologies, our team at IT Central is here to help. We understand that every individual's needs are unique. That's why we offer home visits and tailored assistance to ensure you have the support and technology that align perfectly with your requirements. Don't hesitate to reach out to us. Let's work together to make technology accessible and beneficial for you. So, as we wrap up today's episode, let's reflect on the powerful role assistive technologies play in enhancing accessibility for everyone. From screen readers to customizable keyboards, these tools are key in bridging the digital divide. At IT Central, our commitment to making technology accessible for all is unwavering. Stay tuned for our next episode where we'll dive into customizing accessibility features. We'll explore more insights on how to make technology work for you, regardless of your need. Thank you for joining us on this journey towards a more inclusive digital world.